In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel your subscription on Suno AI efficiently and without any stress. Whether you're switching services, taking a break, or simply don't need the subscription anymore, this video will guide you step by step through the process to ensure everything is done smoothly. First, let's start by opening up your Chrome browser. This is a robust and widely used browser that's perfect for accessing various platforms. If you don't have Chrome open already, simply look for the Chrome icon on your desktop or in your applications menu and give it a click. With Chrome open, head over to Suno AI by typing the website address into the search bar and pressing Enter. This will bring you to the Suno AI homepage. Once you're there, you'll need to log into your account. Look for the Login button, which is typically at the top right corner of the page. Enter your login credentials, your email address, and password to access your personal dashboard. Now that you're logged in, the next step is to navigate to your account settings or the subscription page. Finding this section might vary slightly depending on the layout, but it's usually accessible via a drop-down menu from your profile icon or under the Account tab. Once you've located it, click to proceed to the account settings. Within your account settings, direct your attention to the subscription or billing section. This is where all your subscription details are housed, and it's where you'll be able to make any necessary changes to your plan. Keep an eye out for options related to managing your subscription. Now, this is the crucial part. Look for the option that says cancel subscription or a similar phrase. This is your gateway to ending your subscription with Suno AI. Click on this option, and it should prompt you with a series of steps or questions to finalize the cancellation. These steps are often used to confirm your decision or to gather feedback on why you're choosing to cancel, so don't be alarmed. They're just standard procedure. After following these prompts and reconfirming your choice to cancel, the final step is to ensure that you receive a confirmation email or message. This is an important step because it serves as proof that your cancellation was successful. Be sure to check your inbox. Sometimes these emails might land in your spam folder, so have a look there as well. And there you have it. You've successfully managed to navigate through the process of canceling your subscription on Suno AI.